Hello students. In this video, we're going to dive into something really exciting, the world of fractions. Fractions are all about sharing and dividing things into equal parts. So, what exactly is a fraction? Imagine you have a pizza, and you cut it into slices. Each slice is a fraction of the whole pizza. If you share the pizza with one friend, you both eat half. If you share it with 3 friends, then each slice is 1/4 of the pizza. Now, every fraction has 2 important parts. The numerator is the top number. It tells us how many parts we're talking about. The denominator is the bottom number. It tells us how many equal parts the whole is divided into. There are also different types of fractions. First is unit fractions have 1 as the numerator, like 1/2 or 1/3. Second is proper fractions have a numerator smaller than the denominator, like 2/3. Third is improper fractions have a numerator larger than the denominator, like 7/5. Fourth is mixed numbers combine whole numbers and fractions, like 1/2. Now, let's talk about the lowest form of a fraction. This is when you simplify a fraction so that the numerator and denominator have no common factors other than 1. For example, if you simplify 12/9, you get 4/3. There are also equivalent fractions, which are different fractions that actually mean the same thing when you simplify them. For example, 2/6, 3/9, and 4/12 all simplify to 1/3. When comparing like fractions, meaning they have the same denominator, the one with the smaller numerator is smaller. For example, between 1/5 and 3/5, 1/5 is smaller. For unlike fractions, they have different denominators. And when you're adding fractions that have the same denominator, all you do is add the numerators and keep the denominator the same. For example, 5/7 plus 2/7 equals 7/7, which simplifies to 1. Now that you've learned all about fractions, remember that they help us share things equally and understand parts of a whole. Here's a question for you. What is the lowest form of the fraction 12/9? Share your answer in the comments. The complete curriculum for Class 4 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.